right, moms of the Caps Ninjas out there, this is Sensei Lance coming to you with another tip for the mothers out there to help keep themselves safe. Now, I know that a lot of you, and I've discussed this on other videos, that when you go to work, you probably dress nice. Some of y'all have nice office jobs where you dress nice, and you probably wear nice high heels or shoes that are where your heel is elevated, things like that, because you want to look nice at work. Now, of course, I've brought up the whole idea in another video. Please check it out, where I've recommended that before you leave work in the evening time, especially if it's dark outside, to change your shoes, change out of the high heels. Take 30 seconds to change from your high heels to maybe a tennis shoe or something with a flat sole, something to where if you had to defend yourself, you would have the proper footing, or if you had to run, you would have the proper footwork on to do that also. Now, of course, when you do that, when you change your shoes, guess what you're going to have? You're going to have your high heels, and you're probably going to be carrying them in your hand. So what you're going to do, and this is a great little tip that you can use. I don't know if you've noticed, but these heels, the heel part is usually made out of some kind of wood or hard plastic or something like that, which is fantastic for using as a weapon. So from here, look, from here I can just use just a hammer grip there, boom, and it doesn't matter. You can come boom, straight into the face, come across to the temple, things like that. But from here, look, I can hit, and of course, from here, just bang, just that smack right in the face. Just that using your whole body, your legs, your hips, your shoulders, and using that wooden end right there to just bang, slap anywhere in the facial mask area, whether it's the nose, the philtrum, if it hits in the eye, that's awesome. Even if it hits in the forehead, that can pop their head back and cause a distraction for you to use another technique or make your getaway. Okay, now there's all sorts of places that you can strike with this. Like I said, the facial mask is fantastic. It's just a nice general area. Okay, but you can also come around this way with it. Using that heel, you can strike to the side of the neck, to the ear, to the temple. Okay, things like that. Okay, so if you have one of these, one of the mannequins at home, or if you have like one of the styrofoam heads, it costs about $5 at your local craft store. Those are great to practice these things on, or if you just have a mitt or a big pillow that you can practice on, punching bag, this is a great self-defense tool if you use it. And of course, one of the great things is sometimes you have two of them. You can go off. You can go off with both hands if you have to. All right? Okay, moms, just another little tip, something that you have, an everyday object that you have on you all the time. Some of you have all the time, but it's another household object that you can use to defend yourself. All right, y'all. Have a great day.